So in this video we are discussing about the quadratic equations, children. So in 10th standard, quadratic equation is a very important chapter. So what is quadratic equation here? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation where a, b, c are real numbers and a does not equal to 0. So here degree is 2. So that's why it has two roots. That is, one is alpha and another one is beta. Alpha equal to minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Beta equal to minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And finally we remove the alpha and beta. Finally we should take x equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these are the main roots, alpha, beta. To find, for example, to find the roots of the quadratic equation, 4x square plus 5x plus 3, that equal to 0. To find the roots of this quadratic equation, sometimes here x square coefficients and constant terms are very huge values are given. At the time, this formula is very useful to find the quadratic equations. That's why here you can see this under the root b square minus 4ac is there, children. So that b square minus 4ac is nothing but discriminant. It is very important. What is called b square minus 4ac? B square minus 4ac is nothing but it is a discriminant. So here nature of the roots. How can you find out the nature of the roots? So for example, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, so at the time the roots are two distinct real and roots, two distinct real. After we find the nature of the roots, so roots of a quadratic equation are those points where the curve cuts the x-axis. You can observe, children, here case 1, case 2, case 3. If case 1 you see, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we get two distinct real roots, that is minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a, comma minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So in such a case, if we draw the graph for the given quadratic equation, we get the following figure. So now in case 2, the curve, the quadratic equation cuts the x-axis at two distinct points. Means if b square minus 4ac equal to 0. You see, children, these three graphs, the curve of the quadratic equation touching x-axis at one point only. So that's why these three cases are very important. Next, now you observe the next third case, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. How to draw these three graphs? There are no real roots. Roots are imaginary. Means you observe, children, the parabola does not touch the x-axis. These three cases are very important in the nature of the roots in this chapter, quadratic equations. For the examination point of view, these three graphs are very important.